Managing personal finances can feel overwhelming, but with the right strategies, anyone can take control of their money. Here are 5 essential tips to help you achieve financial stability. First, create a budget and stick to it. A budget is a roadmap for your money, helping you track income, expenses, and savings. Use tools like spreadsheets or budgeting apps to make the process simple and effective. Second, prioritize an emergency fund. Set aside 3 to 6 months worth of living expenses in a separate savings account. This financial cushion will protect you from unexpected expenses like medical bills or car repairs. Third, minimize debt. High-interest debt, such as credit card balances, can drain your finances. Focus on paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum, or target the highest interest debts to save money in the long term. Fourth, invest in your future. Whether it's a retirement account, stocks, or mutual funds, investing helps grow your wealth over time. Start small and take advantage of employer-sponsored retirement plans if available. Finally, continuously educate yourself. Financial literacy is the key to making informed decisions. Read books, take online courses, or follow reputable financial experts to stay updated on strategies and trends. By following these steps, you can build a strong financial foundation and work toward achieving your goals. Remember, financial success is a journey, not a destination.